Hello and welcome to the Bikes Entry. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Kawasaki Z650. It's a 650cc parallel twin that makes about 67 brake horsepower. This particular one's a 68 plate. It's done just over 5,000 miles from new and it's absolutely stunning. Despite the power, this bike can actually be restricted for A2 license holders for a relatively small cost, and if that's something you're interested in, please just give us a shout. So as I say, Z650, it's derived from the original ER6N and ER6F. It's an engine that's been around for a long time. It's silky smooth. It's a good bike to get on if it's your first big bike. A lot of training schools use these to train people to get their licenses on. So starting at the front, unusually for a bike of this size, it's got twin discs. Kawasaki always opt for this wavy disc option. Looks the part, it's sort of typical Kawasaki. Comes with Nissan brakes, which are tried and tested. They're very, very good. Because you've got two brakes on the front, you've got a lot of stopping power up the front end here. Tyres are all in good condition, and it comes with ABS, as you would expect for a bike of this sort of year. You can see the forks are non-USD forks and they've got fork guards on the front, and that is because if you were to use this for commuting, it stops all of the dirt and muck getting on the fork stanchions, helps to protect them, which is exactly what you want for a bike that potentially could be used for commuting and or touring. This particular bike is fitted with a few accessories, one of which is the Radiator Guard, which is a nice modification to have on a naked bike. Again, stops all the dirt and mud sort of gunking up the front end. Cosmetically, this bike is finished in a matte finish with the lime green frame, which I think looks fantastic. There's a few little anodized parts here and there, so you can see on the engine there, the oil reservoir cap, the paddock stand, bobbins that are on there, the valve caps have all been replaced with green ones, which looks really cool. As I pan up, you can see that the bike is fitted with an aftermarket tail tidy as well, so that just smartens up the back end. Tyres on this bike are good. They're Dunlops as they would have been from the factory, in good condition. The bike is also data tagged as well. All of our bikes are HPI clear, as you can imagine. This bike is free of cosmetic damage and free of any insurance. You can see at the top here, there's some more accessories. So we've got some aftermarket folding levers and the Z650 colour coded brake reservoir caps. There's also a nice tinted screen on the front, helps just kick the air up over the top of the rider as well. It's a really nice looking bike. There's a lot more street fighter-y than the original ER6 was, and obviously it's been renamed the Z. Again, on this side you can see the ABS on the front brakes there. Downpipes and everything like that are all in good condition. On this side there's no cosmetic damage either. Of course it's a used bike, so you will find the odd blemish here or there, but on the whole this bike's very good. Chain sprockets, brakes, tyres, everything like that are all checked during the pre-delivery inspection, and obviously if anything needs doing, it does just get done. There are one or two noteworthy cosmetic marks on the bike. Most notably, there are a few tiny stone chips just on the tank here, and one just here. Doesn't really detract from the overall look of the bike, but of course we like people to know exactly what they're getting. There is a small mark just here on the front of the engine casing as well. Other than that, we find the bike to be very, very clean and tidy, as you would hope for a bike of this year. The bike comes with 2 keys. It comes with all the original Kawasaki paraphernalia, service manuals, owner's manuals and stuff like that. There you can see the mileage, 5,422 from new. Obviously you've got a gear position indicator there as well, your speed, and then the rev counter goes over the top. It's a nice set of retro looking clocks actually. Let's give her a start up so you can have a listen. That's quite cool. I like the trace that it leaves when you rev the bike. That's really cool. I didn't notice that before. So all of our bikes come with free delivery. They come with a 3-month warranty as well. We offer finance and we offer part exchange. If those are things that you're interested in or you've got any general questions about the bike, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, live chat on the website and on Auto Trader. We've got all the social medias. And of course, you can pop into the showroom for a chat and a coffee, try the bike on for size. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.